Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one, although to be fair, the overall markets had a very rough day. So it's not like, the markets were going great and then this thing, was behaving this way. No, it was a rough day all the way across. But nonetheless, let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here as we head into Friday. So first key area of resistance to watch if there is any sort of attempted continuation of this bounce. So to give some credit where credit's due, the price is actually showing some strength with the bounce here. But the first big question mark, that resides is, okay, let's see if the price can not necessarily get back up to $8, but then be able to break up above it. So you want to keep a very close eye on that level moving forward as that initial hurdle. If the price can break up through that $8 mark, next key level of resistance after that would then be the overarching level, which I know I've talked about before, that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. But you also don't want to get too far ahead of yourself. Let's just first see if the price can even break above $8 before you focus too much on that 50-period moving average. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all. Just literally a question of, okay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And the bleeding stopped basically right down there at that $7 mark. So if this is some sort of bottom right now that's forming, well, then by definition, you don't want to see the price going any lower, because that would be the exact opposite of a bottom forming, right? Any lower relative to what? Well, relative to these lows today, which were basically at that $7 mark. So keep a close eye on those technical areas going forward, and let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.